Hello and welcome students. Today we are going to do the first independent project of Microsoft Excel. It is from the SIMnet assignment, Excel 2021 in practice, chapter 1 independent project 1-4. So if you want me to do this project for you or the complete course of Microsoft Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, statistics, business analytics or finance related projects including the exams and including the question, the independent projects, do text me on the WhatsApp. What you are going to do, you are going to just send me the files and I will complete the file and send it back to you. Then you can just submit it and get it graded. So it's a very economical service in terms of price. Here you can see we have the start file. You have to start, click here and start the download file because I have the PDF, so I won't be able to click it. You have to just click it and start the download file. Note this, this is the downloaded file. And these are the steps which we are going to execute, and you can do this assignment by watching my video, and at the end we have the screenshot of how the project will look like after completing the assignment. So let's get started with the first step, that is open the workbook Blue Lake Excel file. If the workbook protected, we have already opened it. Okay, now moving to the second part, the file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file if corrected. So you do not need to change anything for that. Okay, just leave it as it is because we will automatically rename it. So step number 3 is apply the office theme to the worksheet. So whenever you are asked to apply a theme to a worksheet, you need to go to the page layout section. In here in the theme sections, you will find this theme, and now you will find the office theme right there. Just click here. So now office theme is applied to this. Make sure to save it. The next step is edit the worksheet data. Edit the title in A2 to display first period sales by department. In A2 we are going to change first period sales by not the city, department. So we have changed the A2 to first period sales by department. Now it says added the value in D6 to 1950. Locate where D6 is. This is D6. You can see in the name box. So we are going to change it to 1950. It's 2050. We are going to change it to 1950. Now, moving to step number 5, that is unmerge cells and reformat data. Select cell A1 to A2. So this is A1 and this is A2. So we have selected this range. Click merge in center button. Now go to the home tab and here you will find merge in center button. Okay, and from this we will select unmerged cells. Click here and click the unmerged cells. Now you see those cells are unmerged. Click the align left button. So here you can see this is the align left. So we are going to click this. First of all, make sure to we can say select it. After that, click left align. Change the font size to 16. So we have already selected this. You can increase the font size by this. Make sure to save it. Set the row height of 1 to 2 to 24. So whenever you are going to change the row height, you are going to first select those rows. So I'm selecting row 1 and row 2. Right click there and go to the row height, and here change it to 24. That's it. If you're finding it difficult, or if you do not have the time to execute further steps, I would suggest you just text me on the WhatsApp, which is given at the top right corner, or you can email me also, which is there at the top. So share your files over there, and I will complete your assignment and send it back to you. Then you can just submit it. Being one thing, keep in mind that it's very economical service in terms of price. So do text me if you need any assistance. Moving to step number 6, that is use the fill handle to complete series. Select cell B3. This is B3. Use the fill handle to complete series to April in column E. So to fill series, you just need to point your mouse at the bottom right corner of that cell and drag it to E3. So you can see Excel is smart enough to autofill those cells with the month names. Autofit column C through E. This sign, you can see the double quotation that is used for the range. Okay, so we are going to select C, drag it up to E. So we have selected the complete C, D, E columns. Now we are going to autofit. So to autofit, just click anywhere on those. When this symbol changes into this plus icon, just double click your mouse. Now all the cells have been auto-fitted as per the maximum length of that cell. Moving to step number 7, that is use the AutoSum button and fill handle to calculate values. Select cell F4. This is F4. And double click the AutoSum button. The suggested range is B4 to E4 and result is 13,300. So there is an option in Excel when you AutoSum it, so it is smart enough to calculate, okay, so I am going to select the values in the on left side of me. So on the home tab in the editing group, here is the icon of AutoSum. So just click it. Now you see it is suggesting the range. Okay, do you want me to calculate those values? Just press enter. So now the what you can say, the figure is 13,300, which is correct. Double click the fill pointer for cell F4 to copy the function to the cells F5 to F18. So here is an option of double clicking. You can see when this hollow plus symbol changes into a black, a solid symbol, just double click it. So now it has populated all the way through up to F18. Although I guess F18 would not be needed, but still it is there. So we will remove as per the instruction in the later stages. Select G4. This is G4. Click the AutoSum button and choose Max. So this is the AutoSum button and choose Max. Now it is suggesting that, do you want me to find the maximum value out of these? But since this is the total, you can see in F4 this is the total, so we won't be able to we will not what you can say find the max with this function. Okay, so we will remove this F and change it to E. So basically we have what you can say minimize the range that we wanted to find the maximum out of it. Okay, so we want the maximum out of this one, B4 to E4. Let's see the instruction first. Click and drag to select B4 to E4 to correct argument. Yeah, you can see they have already written it. So press enter. That's it. Now it says do not include a total in the range when looking for a maximum. So you can see we didn't total the maximum. While finding the maximum, we didn't include the total in it. Okay. Select H4 and use minimum function to calculate the worst sales for each B4 to E4. Now here in this one, you can go here and find the minimum. Now again it is suggesting all the way through, but we only need it up to E4. That's it. So you can see by this, because this is a very small data, so you can find, okay, 2600 is the least and 3800 is the max. So these are the values which we extracted using the formulas with AutoSum. Select G4 to H4 and double click and fill pointer to cell H4. So G4 to H4, I have selected both the ranges, and now when this symbol changes into this black symbol of plus, just double click it. Now you see delete the content of the cells G18 to H18. So delete this one and this one also. Now in B18, select cell B18, click the AutoSum button. This is B18 and we're going to sum up the AutoSum button, and that's it. It's 30,100. Select B18 and drag the pointer up to F18. Ignore the autofill options. Drag it to F18. Now you see this hash, because the text, the length of this cell is very short, so that's why we are not able to show that one. So just double click it, it will show up. Now autofit columns that do not display the data. So it was not displaying the data, so we auto-fitted it. Okay. How many are there? Okay. Moving next, that is format labels and values. Select B4 to H18. B4 is this one. Select up to H18. So we have selected all the range and click the accounting number format. So here you need to go to the number tab, click the accounting number format, click OK. Now it says decrease the decimal 2 times. So here you will see a decimal option, decrease and increase right there. So we are going to decrease it twice. 1, 2. Still you can see this data is not visible, but we will adjust it laterly as per the instructions. Select B5 to H17. B5 to H17. I hope I made selection right. Press Ctrl plus 1. So I am pressing Ctrl plus 1. Click the number format, the category it displays because you decrease the decimal places. Click the number format. Now it will show up. Select accounting and the category in the number tab. Sorry, I think I just miscalculated it. Just do it as per the previous one. Now it says click the number tab. Control plus 1. We are already on the number tab. Now it says select accounting and the category in the number list and symbol to none. Accounting and symbol to none. Click OK. It's common practice to show currency symbol with the first and the last rows of datasets. Okay, so just double click it to make sure that it displays. That's it. Make sure to save it, and we can see we are absolutely right up till now. I think that's it for this video. If you want me to do the complete assignment of that, do text me and I will complete your assignment right from there. And if you want me to complete those assignment of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, statistics, business analytics, or finance related projects, do text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me. So do subscribe to my channel for the next videos of Excel, Access, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care.